the stage and present the school report.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening one and all. A warm welcome to our managing trustees, my fellow principals, invited guests, parents and my dear lovely students. Finally, the auspicious day has arrived to put an end to the endeavoring performance of our students. I would like to thank you one and all as you have shared your timing for us. We are greatly honored by your presence. Every successful person was willing to learn and practice as well as improve every dimension of his life. There are no shortcuts to reach the higher position unless he just practice it. We at Sri Vaishnavi are endeavoring our students to perform these codes come true. We maintain transparency in all school activities. This is implemented by incorporating the ideas of our academic coordinators, teachers, and my dear lovely parents. This ensures our students to mold them and strengthen them and structure them for the torch bearers of tomorrow. Most important thing in Sri Vaishnavi is that irrespective of their platform, we give the excellent performance in different fields of as they chosen. Without taking much time, let me come to your academic report of 2019 and 2020. This year achievement was truly the depiction of the fact that Sri Vaishnavi Group could set new records and is also capable of breaking its own challenges. Besides excelling at academics and projects, it gives us immense satisfaction that our students have also been very active in the field of co-curricular activities. Saturday is a day they love. As it is designed as activity day, this provides opportunity for our students to pursue their hobbies ranging from dancing, drawing, vocabulary and creative writing. Yoga and Kung Fu practices which improve the concentration and mind power of the students are in progress. Now let me introduce some of our children, those who went miles to bring glory to our institution. This year, Pavitra of 6th standard and Kiran of 7th standard participated in science exhibition at district level. In the KG activities, Kundana Sri of UKG entertained us with her advertisement program. Hindi recitation, the 3rd class Harika was well versed in it. Let me take this opportunity to tell you the fast-moving hands of abacus. Nikhil, Ritika and Mahesh of 1st standard, Satvika of 2nd standard, Gopal Krishna and Akhil of 5th standard and 4th standard has won the examination. The exams which is conducted at district level, Shruti and Kiran of 5th and 7th standard did well. Now let me take the chance to announce a significant and most relevant change in the curriculum in order to improve the standard of the students. The whole curriculum is structured based on the code CBSE mode from next academic year. During my 4 years of interaction with parents at school, I have found you all a very enlightened group who take their parenting role very seriously. Thank you all very much for all the understanding and support you are giving us. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to give away a token of gratitude to our chairman, Mr. Sushil sir, for his grand support and trust he has given me. He worked tirelessly for the growth and development of the institution. We can, without any exaggeration, say that it will be the best institution for your future generation. My school report will be incomplete if I did not mention a wonderful team of staff, teaching and non-teaching staff who work with dedication and put their effort for the welfare of our school. Last but most important words for my kids and their parents. God has created us with likes and dislikes of our own. We all are different. So why do you force your kid to be like others? You were created to be yourself. Motivate them, inspire them, give the passion to them, but don't make a photocopy of others. Please parents, I request each and everyone to follow this. Please don't make a photocopy of others. We have our own creation, we have our own likes and dislikes. Please motivate them in their own way. Create a passion in them. You just give a value to them. Teach them how to value themselves. Do a little more than what you are. Give a little more than what you have. Try a little harder than what you want. Aim a little higher than what you are imagining. And just give a little lot of thanks to your God for your family, friends and health. Thank you one and all.
I want response from the parents. Please parents, good evening. Good evening, one and all, to our honorable correspondent sir, Sri Sushil Verma Garu, and fellow principal and respected invitees, parents, my team of teachers, and the cute little students. This evening is one of the very special evening in the school calendar of a school. It's the 8th annual day of our school, and it's really gives me a immense pleasure to invite all to this wonderful evening. We are proud to say that our school has been accelerated to the great rise of success, and today we can see through our school is expanding with many branches. It is synonymous with academic excellence and a benchmark for co-curricular excellence and center for creating responsible citizens. We are grateful to our honorable correspondent sir, Sushil Kumar Garu. It's because of his value guidance and encouragement and support that all this has been possible. On this great occasion, I am expressing my gratitude to all Sri Vaishnavi family, whose vision is wisdom and missionary zeal. Inspite all the members who works with us with passion and commitment, we also remember with gratitude everyone, every parent, every teacher and every student who did their best. The progress of any institution is depends upon the dedicated staff, a large pool of resources and responsive students and cooperative parents. We are very lucky to have all these elements with us. We are proud to announce that we are implementing new classroom programs in our curriculum to explore our children's knowledge. This is the first school we implemented many different types of co-curricular activities here. That's why we
hand over the mic for the stage program.
Round of applause, please, audience.
Bye.
PSN Murthy Garu, Sai Bhagavan Colony President and Legend Pharmacy Managing Director, please come on to the stage, sir. I would like to call upon Sri Hari Garu onto the stage, please, with a great round of applause. Our Managing Director of Sai Bhagavan Colony. I would like to invite Sridhar sir. Please onto the stage, please. Let us invite Prasad Garu onto the stage, please. I request all the dignitaries to occupy their seats, please. Now, let us invite our fellow principal of Patel Guda, Sri Sanat Kumar Garu, to deliver their speech.
Principal Anuvidya Madam and Haripriya Madam to on the dais, please. Please take your seats.
Our Honorable Chief Guest and respected Chairman Sushil Kumar Verma Garu and teachers, parents and my dear lovely students. Heartily welcome to you for our school annual day. Before starting my speech, I would really appreciate the efforts put in by entire team for setting up such a wonderful stage and ambience today. It's really fresh to our eyes. Today I feel very proud for being a part of this esteemed organization. Here in our school, we don't just focus on academics, but also teach the students various things which will help them to develop their career in both personally and professionally. Without taking too much time, I would like to quickly share a few things of our school. On this note, I would like to say we are very grateful to our Honorable Director Sushil Verma Sir Garu, because of your valuable guidance and encouragement and support to all these branches. Thank you. I would like to specially talk about the newly born branch Patelguda. Despite of being the first year for the branch, the school had made a remarkable progress in all the aspects. Without taking a step back, school has organized all kinds of events such as Color Days, Sports Day, and we conducted water bill program also, and we celebrated all the festivals and fancy dress competition, for which I would like to heartfully thank the teachers, without which it would not be possible today. Undoubtedly, their sense of commitment, sacrifice, service, immense patience and responsibility played a key role in our school's growth. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the efforts that parents are showing on their children. The performance that's till now shows a clear reflection of hard work or endeavor towards their children. Our students are really blessed having such a wonderful parents. This entire speech has no meaning. Don't talk about the main elements of this grand success, who are none other than the students. The progress in academics, participation, various cultural activities, events, and their contribution in various cultural events and their contribution in various activities. No doubt, these students will become a great people in future society. Thank you.
మరియు మన పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ సార్ గారికి, అదేవిధంగా పాఠశాల ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయుల గారికి, అధ్యాపక బృందానికి, మరియు ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసినటువంటి తల్లిదండ్రులందరికీ పేరు పేరున ఈ యొక్క శ్రీ వైష్ణవి 8వ వార్షికోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా కరెస్పాండెంట్ సార్ గురించి ఒక మాట చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. వేగమంటాడు కాలమంటాడు, కాలంతో పాటు వేగంగా పోయే స్వభావం, ఉత్తమ వ్యక్తిత్వం, నిగర్వి నిండు స్వభావి, మనసున్న మహారాజు, నవ్వుల రారాజు, వారెవరో కారు, ఇక్కడే మన ముందే కూర్చున్నటువంటి సుశీల్ వర్మ గారు ఈ యొక్క 8వ వార్షికోత్సవానికి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాము. అదేవిధంగా శ్రీ వైష్ణవి పాఠశాల యొక్క ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయుల గారి గురించి చెప్పాలంటే, మనకు దేశానికి కాపాడుతున్నటువంటి ఒక మిలిటరీ సైనికుడు ఏ విధంగా ఉన్నాడో మా పాఠశాలను ఆ విధంగా మమ్మల్ని, విద్యార్థుల్ని, టీచర్లని ఆ విధంగా చూసుకోవడానికి మా శ్రీ వైష్ణవి పాఠశాల యొక్క ఉపాధ్యాయులు కానివ్వండి, అధ్యాపకులు కానివ్వండి, ఇక్కడ మా ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అలా మమ్మల్ని చూసుకుంటారు. అదేవిధంగా శ్రీ వైష్ణవి బ్రాంచెస్ మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా ఒక బ్రాంచ్తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఈ యొక్క దినాదిన అభివృద్ధి చెందుతూ ఇప్పుడు ఈ మన ప్రాంతంలోనే 3 బ్రాంచులుగా అభివృద్ధి చెందిన విషయము మనకు చాలా గర్వకారణము అని చెప్పుకుంటున్నాము. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ ఏ పాఠశాలలో లేని విధంగా మన శ్రీ వైష్ణవి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పాఠశాలలో బయోజ్యూస్ క్లాసులు కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేశామంటే అది మా శ్రీ వైష్ణవికి గర్వకారణమేమి చెప్పుకుంటున్నాము. అదేవిధంగా ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే తల్లిదండ్రులు కానివ్వండి, పిల్లలు కానివ్వండి, టీచర్లతో ఉన్నటువంటి అనుభవము అలాంటిది శ్రీ వైష్ణవి గ్రూప్ అని చెప్పుకోవాలి. అదేవిధంగా ఇంకొక మాట చెప్పాలంటే ఈ శ్రీ వైష్ణవి గ్రూప్లో మైక్రో షెడ్యూల్ చాలా వాల్యుబుల్ అయింది. అది మేము ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము. మా యొక్క గురువు గారు అధ్యాపకులు చెప్పిన విధంగానే మేము ఫాలో అవ్వడం వల్లనే ఇక్కడ మేము ఆ రిజల్ట్ను తేగలుగుతున్నాము. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా మళ్ళొకసారి కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్పుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech.
Now I request our Honorable Sushil Verma Garu to speak a few words about this gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, currently present, our directors Srihari Garu, Prasad Garu, and Sridhar Garu, and our school principals, parents, and my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of 8th annual day celebration of Sri Vaishnavi Group of Schools of 3 branches, Sai Bhagwan Colony, Madhura Nagar, and Patel Gura. As you all know, 4 years before we have celebrated our annual day celebration with 1 branch here at Biramguda, and 2 years before we celebrated annual day of 2 branches, and today I am proud to say that we are celebrating annual day of 3 branches together here at Biramguda. So every year on year we are increasing, our branches are increasing, and recently in the month of January we have taken over 1 more branch at Mehedipatnam. It was an existing branch running another school name, and that management was unable to run the school. So we have taken over that school also, and that school also running under the name of Sri Vaishnavi High School. So presently we are having 12 branches across Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Sangareddy, and Medchal districts. This all credit goes to our hard-working teachers, our principals, and our well-supported parents. And when it comes to SSC results, as a group of Sri Vaishnavi from last 10 years, we are achieving 100% results of our SSC students. And here at Biramguda, since 2013, we have achieved 10 out of 10 every year, except last year. Our 2 students have missed just with 1 mark. So this year definitely will come back, and definitely our SSC students will get 10 out of 10 this year. And not only that, we have just introduced from recently BYJU'S digital content program. Only few international schools are using this BYJU'S content, and I'm proudly say in a Telangana state, we are the first corporate school introduced to BYJU'S digital program into our schools. As you all know, with that BYJU'S, our children are getting lot of benefits. The faculty who are explaining online classes in the BYJU'S, they are all from top IIT students, top IIT from Madras, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur. So those faculty and our faculty, with 2 helping of that, our children are getting lot of benefit. Their language is improving, their communication skills are improving, and their problem solving skills are improving. I have seen from last 4 months, there are a lot of changes in our students. Not only that, BYJU'S was not in our curriculum last year, and it was not in our pamphlet, but we have introduced BYJU'S just to get our students to get benefit. As a parent, if you purchase BYJU'S individually, they will cost 1 lakh rupees per student for high school curriculum. But in Sri Vaishnavi, we have introduced in middle of academic year, and we are not charging anything extra to our parents, and in future also we will not charge anything extra to our parents to give this BYJU'S education. And we have a contract with BYJU'S next 5 years. We are the only authorized user for BYJU'S in our schools at Biramguda. సో దీని ద్వారా మీకు నేను చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే శ్రీ వైష్ణవి విద్యా సంస్థ అనేది కేవలం లాభాల కోసం పనిచేసే విద్యా సంస్థ కాదు, ఇది కేవలం విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తు కోసం పనిచేసే విద్యా సంస్థ అని గర్వంగా చెప్తున్నాను. ఇలా చెప్పాలంటే చాలా ఉంది, బట్ దేర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I would like to request our colony president to speak a few words.
స్కూల్ అధికారులకు, తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన డైరెక్టర్స్కి అందరికీ, వచ్చిన పేరెంట్స్కి, పిల్లలకి, పెద్దలకి అందరికీ కూడా నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు బి ఏ ఆనర్ యాజ్ ఎ గెస్ట్ టు హియర్. మన సుశీల్ గారు చెప్పారు, ఇది లాభాల కోసం కాకుండా పిల్లల్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయడానికి పెట్టిన సంస్థ అని చెప్పేసి కరెక్ట్. 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి వారు లాభాపేక్ష కోసం కాకుండా ఈ స్కూల్ని రన్ చేస్తున్నారంటే మనందరం కూడా వాళ్ళకి హ్యాట్సాప్ చెప్పాలి. తర్వాత ఇదే విషయంలో టెక్నాలజీ అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు మనంతా కంప్యూటర్ నాలెడ్జ్ అవసరం. మనం తెలుగు వాళ్ళమైనా కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది కంపల్సరీ. సో ఈ టెక్నాలజీ అప్గ్రేడేషన్లో బైజు డిజిటల్ స్కీమ్ అనేది పెట్టడం కూడా అప్రిషియబుల్. అదేవిధంగా పిల్లలందరూ కూడా మనోవికాసం కోసం చాలా స్పోర్ట్స్, చాలా డ్యాన్స్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చక్కగా చేశారు, ఇంకా చేయబోతున్నారు. ఇక్కడికి ప్రిన్సిపాల్స్, టీచర్స్ అందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళకి టీచింగ్ చక్కగా చెప్తున్నారని చెప్పేసి ఆశిస్తున్నాం. ఈ స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యానికి, ఇక్కడికి ఇచ్చేసిన వారందరికీ కూడా మరొకసారి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతూ ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినటువంటి స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యానికి నమస్కారాలు.
Now, I would request our Sushil sir to felicitate our colony president. Parents, please give a great round of applause. Parents, please give your claps. Next, I request our HOD Sonu Kumar Garu onto the stage, please. Shankar sir on the stage, please. I request Sonu sir to felicitate Prasad sir. I request Seven sir from Rahimpura branch. Please come on to the stage, please. I request I request Kailash Garu onto the stage, please, from Mehdipatnam branch.
This is the official anthem. Afrojack.
Please, for the felicitation program by our Honorable Chairman, sir.
Honorable Chairman Sir Sri Sushil Verma Garu to come on the dais to facilitate the teachers.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Our Honorable Chairman, sir, will be presenting the mementos to our respected Principal, Madam Anu Vidyala. Memento to Sam, sir. Thank you, sir. Chairman, sir, to present memento to Sam, sir. Shawl presentation. Give him a big round of applause.
Ramakrishna sir, onto the dais please. Teacher.
अरे हो रहा जी भाई
Bhagavi teacher.
ले लो ले लो ले लो या
And Lavanya teacher. Purna teacher. Last but not the least, Madhupriya teacher. Choreographers. So I would like to call our Sushil sir to felicitate them. Please sir. Srihari sir, please. Sridhar sir, please on the stage, please.
gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks on behalf of all the branches of Sri Vaishnavi groups to all those who have assembled here for presiding over this colorful festivity. It is my pleasure to thank the dignitaries and all our most valued guests for their presence. With immense pleasure, I extend a sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairman, Sir Sri Sushil Garu. My grateful thanks are directed to all the principals and teachers of various branches for making this event a grand success. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank our choreographers for making this event grand gala. Let's wind off this program as we all stand and pay homage to our nation as the national anthem played. I request all the parents and I request all the members, please stand for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे